Hello everyone, in this video I am going to be making baked buffalo party wings. Now, not exactly chicken wings, ain't got the wings on them, so here I have the drums or drumettes, whatever you call them, and I have the flats. Let me know your favorite part of the chicken wings. And this is for me and someone else, so they don't want all the seasonings, so I'm just using some chicken seasoning and just some black pepper. I'm going to boil or clean off the chicken. Also, this is my cooking show tutorial. I'm going to boil the wings and then I'm going to broil them and then I'll show you what's next. So I clean off my chicken. I got my water boiling. Now I only have one saucepan, so I'm using a big frying pan that I have. So, okay, I have some butter too. So I clean the chicken down to the water. I'm going to add the seasonings and the butter. Okay, I'm gonna add this chicken seasoning, flavor the water while it's boiling. Add my party wings in the water, boiling water. It's a couple of them too, y'all. It's a lot of them. I can need more seasoning. And I might cover these too. So boil those, you know, when they're done, I might cover them. So, and I'm gonna add some butter. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, these are the boiled party wings. There they go. Now, I'm gonna put them in the oven on broil. I'm not gonna cover them. I'm gonna let them broil. Hopefully they'll get crispy, y'all. And then I'll show you what's next. Okay, y'all, that's how they looking. They go on broil. Stay tuned. Okay, everyone. Now, here are the party wings. Next step, you would need a bowl with a lid. We are making baked buffalo party wings. Okay, have my bowl here. Put your party wings in there. Okay, y'all, for the party wings in the bowl, the next step, we need some buffalo wing sauce. This is from the Dollar Tree. So coat it while it's hot. Take your lid, shake it around. Shake it tonight. Shake it up tonight. And y'all, that's all you do to party wings. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, follow for more. Subscribe if you're on YouTube. Let me know what you'd like to see me make next. Thank you.